Okay, so this is like Seminyak, and we're gonna be walking towards well, this is 66 back there. So 66 was kind of a marker, basically. So this is kind of where they're selling a bunch of stuff, and marketplace. So we're gonna walk through the street. It's a little bit tight too for walking. Let me see what this is. Yeah, you're finishing a ceremony here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, you're finishing a ceremony here. So it looks like I think they're doing a ceremony earlier. I saw some at the beach. Actually, looks pretty cool. Got all this stuff ready for. Okay, got a lot of detail here, so I'll try to film some of this. Okay. So yeah, pretty narrow street, mostly vendors, restaurants. More side streets, more restaurants. Hello. Hello. Hello, how are you guys? Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello, hi, guys.
Yeah, pretty cool. Some really cool stuff. Actually, the lighting is like perfect right now too. Okay. More. All right, some artisan, lots of artisan stuff. So, okay. So yeah, pretty cool street. So you got everything here: restaurants, marketplace, everything. Yeah, actually, the lighting is like perfect too. Really beautiful lighting. Hello, how are you guys? Hello. Thank you. No. So yeah, this is I don't know the name of the street, but I guess I can look it up and label it accordingly. The street in Seminyak. Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of quiet. Just one lane, but there's I think there's cars coming up both sides, so only size for one. All right, we're gonna come up to the looking for this big cross street that's coming up in a minute. Oops. All right, so we might be coming up to the end pretty soon. Nice street. Yeah, really narrow street and goes two ways too, so how it goes two ways, so. Okay. It's all right. We're gonna cut this off in a minute. Let's just try to capture this a little bit. So we're going to capture that scene right here at the end. And we'll see if something fast goes by. Nothing too fast, but if something fast comes by, I'll catch you with the camera. There we go. There's the end of the street right there.
Chiquinha,